Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to earn Microsoft Rewards points faster. Microsoft Rewards lets you earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards, Xbox content, sweepstakes, etc. Firstly, by searching via Bing. PC searches earns you points every Bing search on desktop. And mobile searches only available for level 2 users earn up to 60 points per day. Secondly, complete daily sets. Each day, Microsoft Rewards offers 3 daily activities like quizzes, polls, or searches. Completing all 3 increases your streak count. First 45 days, up to 45 points every 30 days. Just set reminders to complete daily sets consistently to maintain streak bonuses. Thirdly, daily streaks. In beta testing, Microsoft Rewards allows you to earn points by performing 3 Bing searches every day for 10 days. Completing this earns a jigsaw piece. Collect 12 pieces to earn 1000 bonus point. Just a tip, keep a calendar or tracker to avoid missing days or losing streaks. Also, you can do it via monthly sets or quests. At the start of each month, you get a monthly card in the Microsoft Reward app. Cards include 4 to 5 tasks, such as searches or quizzes. Completing the full monthly set grants bonus points. Just finish these early in the month to maximize time from other point earning activities. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.